UP Sidlangan, organization at mga waray-waray ng estudyante nga niya. UP Diliman.
It's the organization where bright minds meet in UP Diliman.
Nagtitigom-tigom hit iba-iba nga tao, tikang Region 8.
Tapos iba-iba tatlong buwahe. May waray, may bisaya, so pero nagkakaintindihan na gift kita.
Saka mga goals namin is geared towards the development service sa ating region, sa aton tinubuang region ba.
There's so much to be proud about our region.
Sidlangan is truly a home away from home.
UP Sidlangan kasi bagan di ba dire ka lang ma-expose sa ACADS. May da-expose kapag pa ibang fields.
May daw mga events like major events like Pakaritay.
Sa iyang org event, kagin po hold aton region, Region 8. Tapos nagpa-participate ng iba-ibang schools from different places tikang region.
May nag-give ang mga activities like parang bahay or na it's like a race na yun showcase it aton cultural heritage.
Meron ding EV Day, may Christmas party kami, tapos may nag-outreach program kami tuwing December. Tapos naglalaro kami. We have fun, a lot of fun.
It's never boring here. Minsan nagmumuruklay, actually all the time nagmumuruklay. Lamon-amon sports like frisbee.
Tapos may dagat kami kumbaga mini clubs, mga sidlagan, nadalagan for fitness, or may dalawag sisidlangan o for swimming. Alos bisa anong activity mo makukuha, mabibiling mo dito.
Damo din mga activities kung diin ka ma-hone, not just di ka lang ma-hone academically, so kailangan ka liwat ma-develop outside of the four walls of our rooms.
Nandiyan yung leadership, yung social skills, and marketing skills, lahat ng then may mawawiden rin yung yung views mo sa mga things because Sidlangan engages in many discussions.
Mga istorya sa Sidlangan, it's to die for.
Haing ka pa makakabilingin group of people na itira inyayakan kay wari-wari gyap kunding katikang mismo.
So you get to meet different kinds of people since hindi naman siya ACAD org. So iba-iba talaga yung mga tao.
You'll be around people who are like you and then who feel the same way as you do na hirayo ka mo hindi yung balay. So makaka-relate ka more or less.
Every moment nga i-share ko sa Sidlangan is very memorable and na-etch talaga akong heart.
It's already a part of me. Parang sinusuot ko siya palagi.
It would be a great first step para para ma-widen mo social circle is di ka mga tao nga sugadahi mo.
Para siyang damit na maganda na kapag meron kang magandang damit tapos kulang yung botones mo, parang ganun yung feeling kapag wala yung UP Sidlangan sa'yo.
Kung umapi ka man in org, start with us. Di ka magsisisi, it's really fun. It's going to be a very important part of your college life.
Sidlangan
Yes! Now! Open! For application!